Hey guys, so welcome to part 2 of my ingredients videos. This one's about the second spell I did, the second fairy spell I did, which is the Irish spell and the invisible fairy, invisible wings spell. And if you're watching this, you're probably coming from my first video about the ingredients about the first spell I did. And yeah, so I had to move locations because I need to charge my computer so I can make sure I don't miss any ingredients. And this is going to be kind of shorter just because that whole spell is a lot shorter, so it's a lot easier to explain and stuff, so let's just get right to it. So the first ingredient, again, is a container filled with water, and it's the same exact reason. It's just a foundation for the spell and for the potion. So that's pretty much all it is.
Hey guys, so I did have a clip here talking about the perfume, but it just didn't process correctly, so I'm just gonna insert here. The perfume is used as basically a symbol of masking, because when you spray perfume, you're pretty much masking your scent. It basically symbolizes masking your visibility, so that's what that is. And it also does coat the potion and make everything come together, but a lot of things in here are symbols, just like the coin, which I'll talk about right now.
So the item that's next is the silver coin, and a lot of the items in this spell specifically are symbols more than contributors to the actual transformation process. So basically, the coin is basically representing stealthiness and stability. So as an invisible fairy, you have this power of stealth. And if you don't know what that means, you can always just Google it, but I'm sure you do. And if not, it's really easy to figure out. But yeah, so the coin basically masks who you kind of really are if you're shy and timid, and really brings out that inner person that's hiding in there, that character of yours that is important to be a fairy, is to be outgoing, and some people don't have that, so this spell's really good for that, and the coin is a symbol for that, and it also helps to contract the fairy dust and everything all together. The last ingredient is the white fairy dust, and again, it's self-explanatory. The white represents invisibility, and that's what's in the fairy dust, and fairy dust is needed for all the magic to take place, and you guys know that, so I just want to talk about a few other things before I end this video that have to do with the spell.